Hello, my friends. Welcome to week 2 of Christmas in July Swap 2025, hosted by Carol of Crinkled Path. Before I get into this fun little bag, I want to mention the co-hosts. And the co-hosts are Sarah at New England Junk Journals, Pam PamVanEeJournalMaker, and Angela, the Traveling Crafter. And I want to let you know there's a bunch of people participating in this fun swap, so I'm going to put all of them in my description box, and I hope that you will pop around and check out everybody's videos. All right, my friends, on week 2, we were supposed to anonymously mail 3 crafting supply items. So let's get into this and see what my Secret Santa sent to me. I did describe more about this collaboration in my first video, so if you missed it, feel free to check it out. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to can't wait to dig into this. Oh my gosh. Wow, thank you already, Secret Santa. Thank you in advance. My gosh, how fun. I feel like there might be a little bit more than 3, which is so fun. All right, let's look at this. This is so cute. This is fabric, and look at it. Look how cute it is with the little hats. It's absolutely adorable. I love it. All right, so we're gonna put that right there. Look at this ornament. That's adorable. And I can use these in shakers if I'd like to. And what a fun idea that is. Or I could simply hang this on my tree. So cute. Thank you, Secret Santa. Now, what are these? It says pigment powders. Look up how to use in different ways. Well, I will. And look, they're in metallics, which, you know, I've been getting into the metallics lately. They're just really cool. We got a pearl powder and, oh, well, they're all called pearl. Okay, I didn't know if they had names. But these are so cool. I can't wait to play with them. And then look at these beautiful wax seals. There's candy canes, gingerbread men, and bows. They're so cute and so pretty. I love the colors. Look at that. I absolutely love it. Thank you. What's this? I never saw this one. It's all about different holidays. That's so cute. A little golden book. Let's have a quick look, you guys. Ah, what sweet images. Ah, so cute. Oh, and it goes through the different seasons. That's adorable. Aww, this will make a really fun journal. I mean, actually, think about it, guys. Really fun, because in one journal, we get to add all different holidays. So I'm excited about that. So my friends, thank you for being here, and my Secret Santa, thank you so much for your generosity and the wonderful goodies that you sent me. All right, my friends, next week will be the reveal of my Secret Santa. Cannot wait for that. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon.